Okay, welcome. This is a quick tutorial on how to post to a graded discussion in Canvas. So one of the things that you'll note is down here in my screen, I've got this bright magenta bar, and it's just here to let me know that I'm in student view. As an instructor, I have both an instructor view and a student view. So currently I'm in the student view, and I'm looking, as you can see here, in the home. So in the home screen, each of the modules are laid out. Module 1 was largely about the course launch, and there's no assignments that go along with that. It was just information for the course. Module 2 is where we kind of get into it, and you'll notice here I've extended, even though it says February 29th, that the assignments are labeled March 4th. Specifically, this tutorial is about how to post to a discussion. The first graded discussion we have is a discussion about the TPAC, and so one way to get to it is by going to Home, looking at Module 2, and clicking here, a discussion about the TPAC framework. Now, many people taking courses like to click on Assignments and view this page. So this view has upcoming assignments, past assignments, those sorts of things. I'm in my student view test account, and so I haven't turned anything in, so that's why these all show as upcoming assignments and the dates are coming due. So here you can see as well another link. This is the same assignment that we saw on the home page, a discussion about the TPAC framework. So whether you're clicking on this link here or you're finding it in Module 2 on the home page, once you click it, this will get you into the discussion. The discussion title is up here. I'm the instructor, so I've posted it. It has the directions of what you need to do in this particular post. It says that it points out that we're not seeing each other face to face, and so discussion boards are really an online way of providing opportunities to collaborate. So we'll do some sharing and responding. So it gives you some specifics. Down here is where you would actually reply. This discussion board, it says that replies by others are only visible to those who've posted. So you have to post once in order to see other people's posts and then have an opportunity to respond to somebody. So once you click on reply, you'll see that there is a text box here with a lot of the similar sort of word processing controls that you can use in order to compose a post. I actually recommend that people compose posts, especially if they're going to be longer, using Google Docs or Microsoft Word Online. Both of those are cloud-based, and they both provide autosave. If you start typing a long post here and your internet connection gets disrupted, or if you wait too long and become disconnected to Canvas, you could end up losing your post. So it's usually best to compose on a Google Doc or Microsoft Word or some cloud-based editor that has autosave. So I'm going to go ahead and post a test post here just so you can see once I have clicked post reply. Okay. You can see it pops up the entire discussion board, because now that I've posted, I can see what others have posted, and so I can go and find somebody that has not been responded to, and I can reply to their post, which is the second part of that assignment. So I wanted to make sure to show you that. The other thing that might be useful later, not for this particular assignment, is say I go to reply to somebody. I click the reply button and it gives me this post here. Now this is shorter, so maybe I post in this box rather than posting and composing my post on Google Docs or Word Online. But because I'm not going to necessarily spend that long and lose this as I did on that initial post. I do want to show you there's an attach button here, and you can choose a file. So later, with some discussion board prompts, you're being asked to share your artifact, and so we'll be using this, and so that's also a good thing to note. So anyway, that wraps up my tutorial on how to get to a graded discussion and to make a post by replying to the initial post, which was by me, and then that will in turn get you access to other participants' posts, and you can respond to one or more of those. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for your time.